Episode 4: Installing Windows and drivers for your budget gaming PC. Your gaming PC is built. Now it's time to install Windows and get everything running. Welcome back to Garcar AI Tech, where we make DIY PC building easy. First, we'll install Windows using a USB drive. We'll guide you through BIOS setup, boot order changes, and installing Windows step by step. Then, we'll show you how to install essential drivers for your GPU, motherboard, and other components to ensure smooth performance. Not sure which settings to tweak? We'll also cover BIOS updates, power settings, and performance optimizations to help you get the best speed and stability. By the end of this video, your PC will be fully functional and ready for gaming. Let's get started.
Consume us. Your touch ignites a fire.